Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. How we doing? How is we doing? 1 second, everybody. All right. There we go. Sorry to hear that, Morrison. I slept. Whew, I slept good. I actually slept way in today. I slept till 7:45. 30 minutes ago, I woke up. But I'm feeling like today's going to be a good day. It is triple witching also, so we got to be a little cautious about that. But we caught some bangers yesterday. Absolute bangers inside of Team Bull. 3 for 3 on the day. Took off the remainder of my Tiva swing up at 1049. So we were able to catch this. We were in at like 952 on this candle right here, all the way up to 1049. So about $1 move on equity, which is pretty damn good. If we entered at, let's see, 952 to 1049, or we'll just do 1050. That's a 10% move on equity. So in what? Half a day, 1, 2, 3, 4.5 days on equity. Could have gone with the options if you really wanted to, but personally not what I wanted. Somebody said the options went 600%, which is crazy. But yeah, caught that equity, took off a good chunk of the uranium swing that we have been in. Absolutely beautiful for around 125, 130% on the swing. So hopefully you guys were able to catch that. Again, we done talked about this thing. I don't know how many times. We talked about this a lot. But yep, and then I'm down to my final runners. Keep the stop at break even. If it wants to go higher, it wants to go higher. Great. This is the beauty of having multiple contracts that you could trade with. Obviously, more than multiple contracts, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. You could slowly trim, lock in profits, and then at that point, it's risk-free. You have nothing to stress about, right? So if it wants to give more, it wants to give more. We have the $25 calls that expire all the way out in January, so we have another 4 months until they expire with a beautiful monthly chart that looks like it still wants to go higher. So maybe today we set a new high. If we get up 170, 200%, I'm willing to take off more and then see where it takes us. But beautiful swing. Absolutely beautiful. And we still have the equity as well. But, alrighty. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money? Lose money? Take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Thank you. We also caught an absolutely beautiful trade on Apple yesterday. We caught a couple other trades. Amazon, Tesla was a nice trade. Amazon was all right. That was just like a 20% scalp off the open. Nothing super crazy. This Tesla, we were able to catch this into the high of the day. But the Apple was the beautiful trade yesterday, the day trade. If we go to the 15-minute, nice push up, pull back, decreasing volume. Reclaimed with a squeeze, held above that 21 EMA. We got long with a stop loss right below this low. Caught it right back up in the high day. Beautiful trade. Alrighty, let's hop right into this. Let's see what we got for the economic news today. Yes, today is OPEX. I might only trade for an hour. Plus, I'm going to see my grandparents later. Voice crack. Whew. Going to see my grandparents later and take them out to lunch. So, might not trade that long today. We got import prices at 8:30. Some news at 9:15. Main thing is going to be consumer sentiment at 10. We got FOMC next week also. Awesome. Alrighty. Looks like we're trying to form a little 15-minute head and shoulders in the pre-market, but we'll see if that goes away. Price broke above that 61.8. Let's see if it hit the 70.7. Yes, it did right there. Nice 1 hour squeeze. So again, that 1 hour 21 EMA is going to be important. Liquidity can be found up here. Let's see, where was it yesterday? I mean, let's see. I'd personally take there to there for a bounce. Check SPY real quick. Yeah. Actually, there's a couple different spots we could use. Could use there to there, which we already hit that 449. So that's going to be a key area. Hold on, I need that candle back. Oh, did it just completely remove it from my chart? I just need to get rid of this one. There we go. All right, so we're holding that 449. That's going to be a key area. And then if we lose that, then we can watch here to here, 447.64 and 446.80 for a possible bounce. Watch liquidity above 451. Previous high. And then gap. Cool. Yep, that's all the levels on SPY. ES, we're good. Yes, yeah, there we go. So we can watch that bounce. That's going to be the major one. That was from the pre-market. And then this was yesterday's low to high. Yeah, this one. Boom. Wait, what? Hold on. I'm mad confused. Oh, I see. There we go. This is the one. So a couple different fibs we can watch. Right there. That, boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, perfect. Head on over to NQ. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. All right, so we got a couple different fibs we can use here. Can use there to there. Deeper pullbacks, there to there. 61.8 is still valid down there. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Let's see if we can reclaim the level. Pre-market low is right there. Highs up here. Boom. I know the chart looks like a disaster, but bear with me. It's really not that messy. It's just fibs. That's it. Could be a lot messier, but there are many, many, many different places we could bounce. Obviously, I don't think we're going to make our way all the way down here today, but definitely could. So that is it on NQ. Let's take a look at QQQ. See what we got going on. Alrighty, so got the pre-market high, then we have pivot low, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. I believe this was, yes, it was a CPI right here. Perfect. Cool. Bounces down here. No good rejects for the time being. If we start breaking above this 378.50, look for more upside, maybe a liquidity sweep up there as well. Again, a lot of different scenarios could play out today on SPY and QQQ. So let's run through some individuals. Let's see what we're liking, what we're not liking, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty. Boom, boom. Oh, I didn't even look at UPS yesterday. I said that I was watching the daily gap fill. Oh, it filled the gap. Oh well. Anyways, let's run through this bad boy, see what we like it. Also, I do have a nice swing that I'm gonna keep on watch. It's gonna be on RCL and CCL, both of them. So, reason I like this weekly time frame, we have this weekly pullback, and then we have this this basing candle right here. If we can get a close, a weekly close above 99.2, I'm willing to go long with an overall price target of 113 and my stop loss right below 94.56. It's also triple witching today and my strategy does not change. It's the same strategy I use every day. CCL. But same exact thing here. I actually like it a little more. Only issue is they report earnings next week. But pullback, basing candle, close above 1557. Could look for the continuation. Let's see what day their actual earnings report is. 9/28, so in about 2 weeks from today. But I do really like that setup. RCL, icing on the cake is going to be that 3-day squeeze. Also, you can see 99.2 was a pretty big area, so if we close above that, that'd be fantastic. But we do have a nice 3-day squeeze right here. So keep this one on your radar. Definitely watching for a swing. All right, let's run through individuals. Apple. Don't really care about, not really seen anything here. Yeah, nothing on Apple. AMD, good morning. AMD is actually really close to that breakout. So this could be a potential swing. Daily close above 109.50 would be ideal. Amazon pulled back, retested the level, and fell apart in the overnight session. Cool. Nothing on Amazon. Boeing, don't care about, just sitting there. Baba, still waiting for the gap fill. Coin. Now, I've never been on a cruise. Never ever. I like the 4-hour squeeze on coin if we could get a pullback towards the 21 EMA. Possible longs. Costco making its way up, still my equity. Still think we could reach all-time highs on this eventually. Again, that monthly chart is beautiful. So, looking for more upside. But no day trades. When I take swings, I only announce it inside a Team Bull. Let's see, Goggle. Looking good. Nice little flag in the pre-market. Could give this continuation. Personally, not something I'm gonna trade. No, I don't use volume profile. Nope. IWM don't care about. More I don't care about. Meta. Gonna watch that 1 hour 21 EMA. Maybe even like this 309 level. See, that was a pretty big area. Resistance, 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 support, support. So maybe watch that, or do we have a fib that lines up there? Yes, we do. So yeah, 309.20 down to 308.19 is what I like on Meta. Boom. So I'm gonna watch a bounce there. Microsoft holding the 1 hour 21 EMA. Nice squeeze. I'd say if it can hold, I'd look for that push into yesterday's high. And again, if you guys want this watch list, make sure you are running up them likes. Remember, the like goal is 225 likes if you want it. I know you guys can do it. Broke above that. Yeah, I mean, this 1 hour 21 EMA is going to be the main thing I'm watching for this this Microsoft. Nice squeeze. Microsoft. There we go. Netflix. There we go. We'll pin this in the comments. Netflix just literally got absolutely smoked. NVIDIA, I haven't really cared about that one recently. PayPal's still on a little rippy rip. We looked at QQQ. Roku don't care about. Shopify, the never-ending cup and handle. Might be the day that it finally decides to break out. So let's see, we can go to base above like 64. Possibly shop on the watch list. And then let's see, we got SPX. Gonna watch that 4,500 for a possible bounce, depending on where we are. SQ. Then I know I want to watch Tesla for sure. Cool. High risk breakout, bounce at 1 hour 21 EMA. Daily gap. Ideally would like to trade. Boom. All right, so Tesla high risk breakout above here. Daily gap fill is here, or the entry is here, and then there's the daily gap fill. Might come into play next week, but we can at least scalp it to the entry of the gap fill. So everything I'm liking this morning is Coin, Meta, Microsoft, Shopify, and Tesla for individuals. We're gonna narrow the list, see what we like, what we don't like, levels, and then we will go from there. So let's give the market a few minutes to just settle down. We do got news dropping here in 1 minute, so if anybody's got questions while we're waiting for the market to settle after the news, feel free to type it in the chat. I will answer some of your questions. What we got? What do we got? That's right. If you want the watch list, hit that like button. I don't trade Expo. Apple, AMD, probably. IWM. But I would just stick to SPY and QQQ personally. Again, I use fibs on all time frames. There's no like one specific time frame that I use. Let's see if the market even reacts to the news. Hey, I appreciate that. I literally recorded that video 13 minutes and then realized the camera was a little crooked. So just gotta fix up the straightness of the camera, and then we're good. I got some stupid tripod though. It's a very weird tripod. Very, very weird. We can take a look at Exxon. It's gonna move with crude oil, which has been on a rip lately. So we've seen Exxon move with it. I mean, it looks bad. I personally wouldn't chase it up here. Getting close to that resistance. If anything, you could look for a reject up here, but I'd be more interested in a pullback on this, if anything. There's no indicator that you should use on a contract chart. The only thing you're using the contract chart for is to see how much the contracts are trading at. No reason for, a moving average or VWAP or any of that. It has this little thing that sticks out on the top of the tripod for the camera. It's like a little like metal piece that you're supposed to spin the camera on, but the camera doesn't spin all the way on. Like half of the thing sticks out, and then the other half is like in it, and it won't stick all the way out, so the camera won't get tight on the tripod, and then that makes it so it gets like, off center and stuff. Coin potentially on the watch list. We looked at NVIDIA, not too interested. Love the boot camp. I appreciate it. And again, if you want access to the remainder of the boot camp, I do have some of them that are up for free. But if you do want access to the remainder, you do have to be a channel member. You're going to get access to all previous and future boot camp videos. So if you guys want to do that, just head on over to my channel, click this join button right here. It's only $10 a month. But like I said, you get access to all previous bootcamp videos, and then there's going to be future bootcamp videos that are only accessible to channel members. So if you guys want that, again, click this join button right there, support the channel, get a cool little bull icon next to your name as well. And because of one of the bootcamp videos, somebody like botted the ads on the video, and YouTube like significantly decreased my monetization. Like, we're talking significantly. So YouTube isn't even paying me that much anymore. They weren't really paying me that much to begin with. And then that happened. Possibly. I can find the tripod and send it to you if you message me on Instagram, so I have it. All right, let's see. It's 8:33. Let's go through. Let's narrow this list. Again, if you guys want this watch list, run up them likes. We got 200 people in here and only 125. So make sure you guys continue to run it up. Let's find some bangers today. Coin, we might actually take a swing on this. But if you want to watch it near that 4-hour 21 EMA, you can. I'm just personally not going to trade that. So let's see. We'd like Meta for a possible bounce around 309 to 308.19. Would prefer 309. That looks better. But we like Meta. Maybe Microsoft. Big maybe. Shopify could be the day it finally decides to break out. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's going on the list. And then obviously our SPY, QQQ. And then RCL. Eyeing up for the swingy swing. Alrighty. Start getting this bad boy typed out. Let's finalize some ES levels and Q levels. Make sure we're all good. Yep, so ES we're watching down there. SPY, I'm assuming, broke the 449. Yes, indeed. So that's no longer valid. We're going to watch there for bounces. Head on over to QQQ. Watch there for bounces. And Q. Watch there for bounces. Perfect. Alrighty, let's rock and roll. Sorry, I'm a little nasally. Hold on. Alrighty. Let's see. SPY. $447.64 and 446.83. We got a bunch of QQQ levels that we can watch. I don't know if we're going to hit the like goal today, ladies and gentlemen. We don't got enough people in here. There are a lot of bounces on QQQ. We're very close to that 18. Multiple bounces at 376.18. Oh, Stafford, you're back. Welcome, buddy. Why are you being negative? I couldn't kick you out of this live stream for good. Keep up with the negativity. 376.18. 75.64. Then 374.58. Rejects at 378.5. Place ball there. Look for more upside. Boom, and then we got Meta. Positive vibes only. I miss that Jimmy guy. Whatever happened to him? I forget his name. He messaged me on Instagram once. I have to find him. He was a good guy. I liked him. Looking for a bounce. 309.16 to 309. Then 308.19. Then we had, I think it was Tesla, was the other one. Tesla. Alrighty, Tesla. Yeah, you're an OG if you remember Jimmy. Yeah. Tesla. That was breakout above 278.9. $281. $73.66. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, there's a watch list today. I will tell you what, ladies and gentlemen. I will compromise with you guys and lower the like goal to 200 likes if you guys want this watch list. You guys got 10 minutes to hit that. So if you can do 200 likes within 10 minutes, I will give you the watch list for free today. If we can't do that, then it's only going to be uploaded to channel members and Team Bull members only. But we do got the whole watch list typed out. I guess it really depends on what happens in the pre-market. It does look like we're pulling back. But that 1 hour squeeze, I like that. Let's see where that 34 is. Now it's right off the 34 EMA. So let's see if we can hold that. Remember, 21 and 34 is very important during a squeeze. So let's see what happens there. All right, cool. Any other questions you guys got while we're waiting to hit the like goal? Any questions? We got the watch list done. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I missed that guy. I'm gonna have to find him. Find Jimmy at all costs. Like I said, I'm watching RCL and CCL for swings. Hold on, Grizzly texted me. There we go. Also, all the books arrived today. So if you guys want signed copies of the new book, reach out to me on Instagram. Got a bunch of them. Like I said, RCL, CCL. Hold on. Jimmy was just some guy that joined and screamed about Google and Amazon, but was pretty damn right actually more than half the time. A lot. Let's see. Investor sentiment's going to be very important today. That's going to be a major market mover. All right, Stafford. Adios, buddy. Adios. You had a chance. Now you won't be in these live streams anymore. You done lost your privilege. Yeah, go for it. Just send me a DM on Instagram if you want a signed copy, and then I'll tell you how much it costs and everything. All right, we are 4 likes away from hitting the new like goal for today. 200 likes. Yeah, what is VIX at? I hardly ever look at VIX. It is Friday, baby. What are we at on this? 93.15. VIX. I guess depends on today's close. Alrighty. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is when we get it. Good morning, my man Mike. Alrighty. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Now, again, this is just the watch list for the day. This is just what I'm watching. It could change, right? Market could tank. It could take out all of my bounce levels. If the market looks weak, I'm looking for puts. Plain and simple, right? If it goes against my plan, I will look for a different setup. If I don't see a good setup, then I will not take a trade. So, first stock I am watching, or ETF, whatever you want to call it, SPY. There's my levels for SPY, QQQ, Meta, and Tesla. Boom. That is everything I am watching for the day, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I don't even know who won last night. Was it the Vikings or Eagles? I'm gonna guess it was the Eagles. Twitter doesn't necessarily say who won. Oh, there it is. Eagles. Nice. Nice, nice. But there's the watch list. And if you guys are interested in learning more about my day trading strategy, I highly suggest checking out my new book, The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide on Amazon. You can find that link right here. So make sure you guys check it out. 325 pages, goes over more of my day trading strategy, Fibonacci, entry criteria, specific day trading setups that I look for, my new day trading setup, how to find day trading stocks, a lot about SPY, QQQ, ES futures, NQ futures, SPX, and so much more. So I highly suggest you guys check out the new book, The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide. You can find that using that Amazon link that I just sent about 100 times. There's no way you can miss it. But everybody have an amazing weekend. Remember, today is triple witching, so be a little cautious. Sometimes there is some effery. I don't know if I can cuss in the live streams, but some effery going on. I'm sure you guys can fill in the blank. But yeah, everybody have an amazing morning. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys on Monday. Everyone take it easy. Peace out.